कुछ नए तजुर्बे देकर जाती हैं। Now we would like to call our co-hosts Praganya and Sakshi.
One humble request with our honorable chief guest, one of our toppers, class 12 toppers who scored 95% in board examination. She was late, she got stuck in jam, so I would like to request with ma'am and MD sir to please come up on stage. I would like to request with Soumya to please come with your parents. Soumya of class 12. I would like to request with Principal Ma'am also to please come up on stage. Principal Ma'am, please come up on stage.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for coming up. Thank you, dear seniors, Samisha D and Raksha D, for offering this mic to us. मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता, कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता। मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता, कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता। लोग तो मिल जाते हैं हर मोड़ पर, लोग तो मिल जाते हैं हर मोड़ पर, लेकिन हर कोई तो आपकी तरह अनमोल नहीं होता, आपकी तरह अनमोल नहीं होता। By this, I Sakshi and I Praganya rising stand up to all of you. Sakshi, our previous programs were delighted, but I just think that we have to move our further program. Oh yes, Praganya, but do you know that person? Which person? Whom are you talking about? Huh? You don't know? Okay, then let me guess. Your passion for education and the community are truly inspiring. We are grateful for your leadership and the amazing work you do. Now I get it. It's our principal ma'am. So now for annual report, I would like to call our principal ma'am of CBSE and our co-host for delivering such beautiful annual reports. I would like to request Nisha ma'am, coordinator of primary wing, and Shikha ma'am, coordinator of pre-primary wing, to squat her. कानों में खनकती है खूबसूरत बालियां, कानों में खनकती हैं खूबसूरत बालियां। मजा तभी आता है जब महफिल में बजती हैं जोरदार तालियां, जोरदार तालियां।
Jai Hind and a very good evening to one and all present here. What a splendid evening it is. I, on this beautiful environment, would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Preeti Tripathi, young and dynamic IPS from Chandoli. I welcome our respected MD sir, Mr. Chhatrapali Singh, AMD sir, Mr. Shyamji Singh, directors, Ms. Sarita Singh and Ms. Anamika Singh, and other respected trustee members. I welcome the revered principals and secretaries of other branches along with the staff members and students. I also welcome and show my heartfelt gratitude to the parents, students and the respective staff members on our annual flagship event, Abhinandan 7. I, Nilanjana, Principal CBSE School Mughalsarai, stand here in front of you to present the annual report. Our school SRBS has started its journey on 2015 with only 200 students and 15 teachers to take forward the legacy of our visionary founders, late Shri Ram Vilas Singh Ji and late Shri Vakil Singh Ji. Now it is flourished with more than 1250 students and 75 teachers. We have two other thriving branches of CBSE schools and degree colleges, Sikandarpur and Aurora campus. We are opening soon with our new branches in Varanasi and Lucknow too. Academics is always the face of the school. Let me take you through our excellent board results. Success is no longer an accident. It is always a result of our hard work, perseverance, and learning and sacrifices. Our board school results is a persistence and pursuit of excellence. Pratyush Singh of class 12 science with mathematics stream scored 94.2% and Omji Mishra with 91% marks. Akanksha Yadav of commerce and Soumya of humanities scored thriving 95%. It has made proud to us. Our students Ankit Kumar Yadav scored 91.4%, followed by Ajay Kumar Gupta of commerce who scored 91% and Priyanshu of humanities with 93%. They have raised the banners of SRBS Mughal Sarai high by their talent. At a glance, if we see our board results, most of our students scored more than 75% marks. This result is the evidence of the hard work and the effort our teachers put in continuously. Many of our students more scored than 90% marks, and I am proud to share that in 3 subjects, our students have scored perfect 100. Mathematics, applied arts and vocal music. We congratulate each of them from the core of our hearts. Our students have also qualified various national and level entrance examinations like prestigious CUET, in which they have scored good ranks, and they have taken admission in one of the best universities of India like BHU, Delhi University and Allahabad University. Our class 10th board result is also evidence of our perseverance, and Dharnidhar Yadav scored a massive 96%, followed by Swati Maurya with 94%, Arya Bajaj with 93%, Saurabh Kumar with 93% and Ashish with 92%. The list also includes Anand, Shubham, Muhammad Ash and Shikha, who has made us proud by scoring more than 90% marks in board exams. If we analyze the class 10 results, we will find that most of our students have scored more than 60% marks. That is indeed a matter of pride, and they have scored more than 90% marks in various subjects. We are proud of all these students. Success of such level cannot be brought easily. It requires a detailed planning and strategies that is followed year long. Some of them are timely completion of syllabus, practicals and assessments done by our teachers, continuous and comprehensive tests like unit tests, mock pattern tests and so on. And we have also separate classes for our high and low achievers for brilliant practices. Success is not an overnight achievement, but it is the result of consistent hard work and dedication over time. Now, I would like to invite Mantasha of class 5 to present the report of pre-primary and primary wing activities. Over to Mantasha.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to give report about pre-primary and primary wing. As we reflect another remarkable year in our primary wing, we are filled with pride and gratitude for the incredible journey we have shared. This annual report highlights our commitment to nourishing young minds and fostering a love for learning in safe and stimulating environment. We have an amazing primary wing with beautiful fun-filled classrooms. Our mother teacher provides children love, care and empathy, and school becomes a second home for them. Our vision of education for pre-primary and primary wing students. Holistic development focusing cognitive, emotional, social development, child-centric approach of teaching and learning, flexible curriculum according to need and requirement of each and every child. In the direction of technology for new age digital learning, we foster lifelong learning mindset by instilling the values of curiosity and critical thinking and love for learning. Aligning with her vision and according to National Education Policy and EP 2020, we do various activities which develop different skills. For development of cognitive skills, we use storytelling sessions, puzzles and games, and playful science experiments. For development of
and communication skills, we use reading aloud and phonetics classes and interactive discussions. To develop life skills, we follow cooking without fire, care for plants and pets, and nature walks. We are striving for excellence, and in this line, 32 students scored more than 90%. And we are determined to make numbers higher every year. सफलता अक्सर कड़ी मेहनत की राह पर चलकर ही हासिल होती है. Let me take you to the photographic journey of our year-long activities. Welcoming a student on very first day of school, happy classrooms filled with laughter, beautiful activity room for various learning activities while playing, role plays and storytelling sessions. We also make our students to learn and respect cultural heritage by celebrating various festivals like Diwali, Janmashtami and Navratri. We also make them play in a playground and do yoga session. After all, a healthy mind resides in healthy body. Developing motor skills through balancing games. Children enjoyed a lot during Monsoon Festa and celebration of Mother's Day and Grandparents' Days. We aim to create more equitable, inclusive and effective educational framework that prepares children for future challenges. Thank you.
Thank you, Mantasha. Now, I would like to call Saksham to present a report on junior and middle wing. Over to Saksham.
Thank you, ma'am, for providing me an opportunity to present the annual report of junior and middle wing. In classes 3 to 8, our vision of education includes holistic development of students, skill development through critical thinking, problem solving, and life skill education. Inclusive education through differentiated instruction. Focus on mental and physical well-being, encouraging lifelong learning. These visions align with various activities we conduct in our classroom like hands-on science experiments, debate club, art integration, coding challenges, creative challenges, group research projects, think, pair, share activity, storytelling circle. Through these activities, when we plan the curriculum, it gives us a good academic impact. As shown by the data, 8 students scored more than 90% in class 3rd, 11 students got more than 90% in class 4th, 5 students got more than 90% in class 5th, 13 students got more than 90% in class 6, 8 students got more than 90% in class 7 and 6 students got more than 90% in 8th class. We are determined to increase these numbers year by year. We achieve the success and motivate students through Star Child Certificate. To continue with their efforts, सफलता सतत प्रयास का ही फल है. Let me take you to the journey of our year-long activities. Hands-on science experiments to understand concepts, leaf printing activity, art integration, learning musical notes, caring for our environment, leading to a better world. Our students made us proud by bagging first prize in innovative model baking. We also celebrate various festivals and events to make students aware about culture and to connect with their roots. Each celebration, Sawan celebration as well as planting saplings, Rakhi celebration, Janmashtami celebration, Ganesh Utsav celebration and Diwali celebration along with diya making competition. Our vision aims to create a robust educational framework that not only prepares students academically but also foster their overall development, making them a responsible individual. Thank you.
Thank you, Saksham. Now, I would like to invite Upasana for secondary and senior secondary wing report.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. The function and the essence of true education is to build character and to nurture intelligence. At Savias, we are determined for this. Our vision for education of secondary and senior secondary wing includes holistic and multidisciplinary education, which include board-based learning and integration of vocational education and flexibility in subject choices. Competency-based and skill-oriented learning, incorporating 21st century skills which include digital literacy and life skill education. Ethical and value-based learning. We follow certain strategies to align with our vision. Project-based learning, group discussions and seminars, experiential learning through field visits, hand-on activities and internship, coding and digital learning classrooms, community service project, art integration and many more. Let me take you to the visual journey of all above mentioned activities happening in our classrooms. We begin school with a beautiful morning assembly to be mindful entire day. We having digital classroom for blended learning. We learn concepts using scientific hands-on experiment in our physics, chemistry and biology labs. Our students learn all digital skills in our well-equipped computer labs. We develop reading skill and enrich our library. Our field trips and educational excursions give us more exposure. Our students show their creative experience by beautiful artwork. We celebrate every event joyously to inculcate values like Teachers' Day celebration, Navratri celebration and Ravan making from waste material. We inculcate community service value through the class cleanliness drives. We bring the leadership skill through the investor ceremony, selection of junior and senior council. We also make our students aware of various important social skills using seminars like Road Safety Awareness Program. We believe strongly in making relation and memories together, celebrating farewell of our seniors. We enjoy a wonderful summer camp every year where we enjoy and chill with friends. This rejuvenates us for the entire year. Our school has constant feedback mechanism where we get in touch with the parent-to-parent teacher meeting and parent orientation programs. It led us to the mark constant for the betterment of our student. We envision secondary and senior secondary education as a comprehensive, inclusive and skill-based system that prepares students for higher education, employment and responsible citizenship. Thank you.
Thank you, Pasna. I would like to invite Arya for throwing light on our sporting facilities.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, to giving this opportunity to me. Sports teaches you character. It teaches how to play the rules. It teaches you to know what it feels like to win or lose. We have wonderful sporting facilities in our school. Our students play various sports, especially our girls are doing wonder in badminton and kickboxing. Students also enjoy various indoor games such as chess and carom too. We have girls and boys kho-kho and volleyball teams who shows their talent in various sports competition. We are proud to share that our team of kickboxing got best team trophies and bagged 14 medals in zonal level CBSE cluster including 1 gold, 3 silvers and 10 bronze. We proudly share that one of our female boxing player Diksha Sharma won bronze medal in National CBSE Sports Meet of Boxing held at Mahendragarh, Haryana. Thus, we believe that the promoting sports will promote us life skills and education. Hence, it is an important part of our curriculum and we shine for excellence in sports. Thank you.
Thank you, Arya. कहते हैं ज्ञान और शिक्षा में निवेश सबसे अच्छा ब्याज देता है. हम और हमारे शिक्षक इसी बात को सतत अपने जीवन में उतारते हैं. We believe excellence is not a skill, but it is an attitude. We give our teachers various opportunities to learn and grow through online and offline trainings and workshops. The capacity building workshop led them to explore not only the newest pedagogical techniques but also their own inner potentials. We are proud to share that one of our primary wing mathematics teacher, Ms. Roshni, was awarded as best teacher from Sahodaya School Association group. Our secondary school physics teacher and middle school coordinator, Mr. Satpathy, got the opportunity to meet with renowned physics maestro, Professor H.C. Verma, and got training under him during his visit to Varanasi. A properly trained teacher have lasting and profound impact on their students, shaping not only their education but also their future. That is why we always prioritize teachers training in SRBS. To more opportunities to our students, we have some future plans. We are planning to have a robotics lab included with our computer labs. To develop scientific temperament, we are planning to build Atal Tinkering Lab as per NEP 2020. We are also planning to give more choices to our students of class 11th and 12th by including subjects like guitar, legal studies, Indian dance forms like Kathak and Bharatnatyam, and entrepreneurship in commerce stream. We are also planning to open a basketball court to increase our sporting facilities. The school is a golden triangle with 3 major stakeholders: teachers, parents and students. Those students who are connected with their parents, who are connected with their teachers, they bring more good results in school. मैं अपने सभी अभिभावकों से ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि आपका प्यार और समर्थन ही आपके बच्चे के लिए प्रेरणा है. जब आप उनके साथ समय बिताते हैं तो आप उनके दिल में एक आत्मविश्वास और खुशी भरते हैं. जब बच्चा विद्यालय में अच्छा परिणाम देता है तो वो न सिर्फ हमारे लिए और आपके लिए गर्व की बात है, बल्कि वो आपके आशीर्वाद और मार्गदर्शन का भी परिणाम होता है. आप जिस भरोसे और विश्वास के साथ अपने बच्चे को इस प्रांगण में भेजते हैं, हम हर प्रकार से उस विश्वास को पूर्ण करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं। हम न सिर्फ अपने छात्रों के बौद्धिक विकास का विकास करते हैं, बल्कि हम उनके सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए सदैव तत्पर रहते हैं। मुझे ये पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आपके और हमारे समग्र प्रयासों से हमारे छात्र राष्ट्र निर्माण में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाएंगे और देश को एक उज्जवल भविष्य की ओर ले जाएंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, ma'am, and our co-host for delivering such fabulous annual report among all the people present over here. विजय सत्य की हुई हमेशा, हारी सदा बुराई है। विजय सत्य की हुई हमेशा, हारी सदा बुराई है। आया पर दिवाली कहता करना सदा भलाई है। रावण था दंभी अभिमानी, रावण था दंभी अभिमानी, उसने छल बल दिखलाई है। 20 भुजा 10 शीश कटाए, अपने ही करनी से लंका सोने की जलवाई है, लंका सोने की जलवाई है। साक्षी, क्या तुम्हारे को घर पे कोई भिक्षामदेही बोलकर भिक्षा लेने आया है? हाँ प्रगन्या, मेरे घर एक दिन एक महात्मा आए थे और कुछ इसी तरह त्रेता युग में ब्राह्मण का रूप लेके रावण ने एक छल किया था। ठौर ठौर पर संत सयाने पानी नहीं पिया करते, रेखा भीतर सिद्ध योगी भिक्षा नहीं लिया करते, भिक्षा नहीं लिया करते। हाथ काट के रख दूंगा ये नाम समझ आ जाए तो कितनी दिक्कत होगी अगर ये नाम समझ आ जाए तो। राम राम तो कह लोगे पर राम सा दुख भी सहना होगा। पहली चुनौती यह होगी कि मर्यादा में रहना होगा, और मर्यादा में रहना मतलब कुछ खास नहीं कर जाना है, बस त्याग को गले लगाना है और अहंकार जलाना है। अब अपने राम लला के खातिर इतना ना कर पाओगे, अरे शबरी का जूठा खाओगे तो पुरुषोत्तम कहलाओगे। काम क्रोध के भीतर रहकर तुमको शीतल बनना होगा, बुद्ध भी जिसकी छाया में हो ऐसा पीपल बनना होगा, ऐसा पीपल बनना होगा। तो चलिए करते हैं स्वागत अपने प्रोग्रामर्स का, बोल के जय